Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous video, I have showed you like how you can select a documents from Mongo database. In this video, I'll show you how you can select a document using comparison operators. So I'll show you like what are the comparison operators available. So there are so many comparison operators available like GT, LT, GTE, and LTE. So basically, you have to use like this dollar sign and then GT. GT means greater than. GTE means greater than and equal to. LT means less than and LTE means less than and equal to. And then how the syntax is that we are going to write in the MongoDB Compass. So I have already opened my local server, which is MongoDB Compass. So I am going there and this is my sample database. So if you are not watched my previous videos, I'm requesting you to go through my previous videos and there you can find like how you can create a database and how you insert the documents. So this is my database guys and I'm going to select some documents based on the comparison operators. Okay, so let's go to the terminal, so which is MongoDB shell. And for your information, again, I'm telling MongoDB shell, you can simply open through command prompt as well. So if you have command prompt, you have to give the command like mongo sh and then you have to give enter and it will check whether your MongoDB is running in this 27017 port, and if it is running then it will simply connect to your database. But there is one limitation, like here you won't get the suggestion. So I want the suggestion, so that's why I'm using this Mongo shell. So how to use that Mongo shell? You simply need to click this open MongoDB shell. So if you click this, it will open. Okay, so this is my MongoDB shell. So I'm going to use this. Okay, so let's start with, okay, let me open the database. So my database is YouTube demo and employee info. So again, guys, if you are not subscribing to my channel, I'm requesting you to please subscribe and please go through my previous videos and do the hands-on, or else it will be difficult for you to follow me. Okay, so there are some documents which I have inserted. So you can see like the document is employee ID, employee name, department, and age. So I total, I think 7 records I have, and this ID is automatically created by MongoDB while inserting the documents. So in this video, I'm going to use the comparison operator to find any specific documents. Okay, let's start with GT for greater than. So I'm going to select the documents which is greater than age, maybe 31. Okay, so there you can see like the maximum age is 32. Okay, so I'm going to write a query where I can fetch the age of the employee or document whose age is greater than 31. So I'll get this as a result, age of 32 as a result. So let's do that. So let's go to MongoDB shell and there I have to give like db dot. See, I'm getting the suggestions. Okay, so that is the advantage. So employee info, as I can see, my database name is employee info. Simply click on this or press enter and then dot find. Okay, I'm going to find, or I can select find one, anything will be fine. And then I have to give parenthesis and inside this I have to start second bracket. So what I'm going to find, I'm going to find the document. So I have to write the condition where age, right? So the name of the variable is age. Okay, so age I have given. So age should be greater than, age supposed to be greater than. So here I have to give dollar GT and then colon and greater than 31. Okay, so this will be the abbreviation. This will be the syntax for selecting an document where the age of the employee is greater than 31. And at the end, you have to give semicolon and then give enter. So you can see like employee ID is 6666, name is Faizan, and computer science is the department, and age is 32. So if I scroll down, you can see like this is the particular document which we get as a result. Okay, so that is correct. So this is the syntax and this is the process how you can select a document with greater than. Okay, so again I'm going to use, suppose maybe find one. Okay, let's use find one. I'm copying this. Okay, let's use find one. So basically the find one and find is same because we are going to use the, we're going to use this filtering condition. So find and find one is same, but if there is more than one result, it will give you the result. So maybe we'll check whether it is giving the more than one result or more than one result or single result. Okay, so for that again you have to write age and then colon. Okay, and then you have to give the condition like here dollar gt and greater than, maybe I can say like 30. So I'm giving 30. So try to understand, if I'm giving 30, so see, age is greater than 30. Okay, so there are so many ages which are more than 30, more than one document I have. Like see, for this document, this we have the age 31. This is also the age 31. This is also the age 32. So total three records. So how many response we will get? So we'll get three or two or one. So I'm using find one. So it's supposed to be one single response. Let's try. So you got 31, 3333, and name is Chandan. So let's verify that. 3333 Chandan. Okay, so this is the immediate result. So it is returning the this result. Okay, and if I'm not giving the find one, so in that case I'll get total three result. So let's try with this that. Okay, so you can see like one, two, and three, total three result we have get. So there is 3333 employee named Chandan, and then Elvin, and then Faizan. So total three result we got. So all the results who having the age greater than 30, so it's returning that particular result. Okay, so let's go to the other operators, maybe less than. So less than, how we can use, again the same thing, db dot employee info, db.employee.info, and then maybe I can do find, and then I have to give parentheses and then second bracket, and inside that I have to give like age. Okay, so what is the condition of the age? It should be less than. Okay, dollar lt, and then we are giving, say we have the minimum age of 28. Let me check whether this 28, what is the immediate. Okay, let's try with 28. So there is no age below 28, so it will return the null result, or there won't be any result as such. Okay, so you can see like there are no guys whose age is less than 28, so that's why it's returning empty result. If I'm getting giving 29, you'll get like there is one result who is Bimal and who is from electrical department and age is 28. Okay, so let me verify that. And yes, so less than 29 is 28, which is Bimal electrical department and age 28. Okay, so now focus on the other two operators, which are GTE and LTE. Okay, GTE for greater than equal to and LTE for less than equal to. Okay, tell me guys, so if I'm giving the same query, if I add E over here, so less than equal to, so in this case, how many results you will get? So try to assume that. Okay, so how many age we have, like less than equal to 29. Okay, less than equal to 29. So less than, for less than we'll get this result which is 28, and equal to 29 we'll have two records. So total it will return three number of records. Okay, let me try that. Let me execute this query. And yes, see 29 we have two, and 28 we have one result. Okay, so total three number of results it's returned. So that is also clear. And we have one more query which is GT for greater than equal to. So greater than equal to, let me try with this. Okay, again I'm typing this. Okay, so let me change GTE greater than equal to, maybe I can change this to 31. Okay, so if I'll write this greater than equal to 31, so obviously 31 will come and this 32 will come, because greater than equal to 31 there is only one document, and greater than 31 there is another document who is Faizan and age is 32. So total two number of document it will return. So let me execute this query. So if I'm executing this query, so you can see like 30. Okay, 31 we have two results, so there is one more result which is Chandan. So total three number of response it's returned. Okay, see 31, 31, 32. So this is the process guys, how you can select a particular. And okay, before that I want to describe you one more thing. Like if you want to limit your result, then you will get only one result. Okay, so this is clear, right? If you have any doubt regarding find and find one, please go through my previous videos. And if you still have the doubt, please give a comment in the comment box. So this is the way, guys, how you can select the query or documents from a particular Mongo database using comparison operators. Okay. So I'm stopping this video here. If you have any doubt, give a comment in the comment box. And please, guys, subscribe to my channel and share my video and comment in the comment box. I'll surely respond to your comment. And I'm going to make some other videos on our other topic of this Mongo database. And if you have any suggestion, please give a comment in the comment box. I'll surely respond to you. So I'm stopping here. See you then. Till then, stay tuned and see you in the next video. Yeah. Thanks. Bye.